Hi, I'm Dr. Dellaria. We're here at the Holistic Health Center. I'm going to explain the percussor instrument. This is an instrument that produces a percussive force which goes through the tissue, freeing up the fascia. The fascia is a covering over the muscles and over the organs. Kind of like saran wrap, it can get stuck to itself or to things around it, affecting the motion of the muscle, the motion of the organ, and thus the function of the muscle, the function of the organ. So we use this to free up restrictions in the fascia called myofascial release. Myo stands for muscle, fascia, the fascia around the muscle, in this case it's also around the organ as well, and release to free up, myofascial release. So we're going to use that to free up a restricted gallbladder and also a pancreas. Each organ should move freely as I palpate it or feel with my hands. When the fascia is restricted, it doesn't move so well. Okay, so now these are moving the way that they should. We freed that up, and that's using the percussor for myofascial release. Thanks for tuning in.